We're about to share 3 powerful tricks that almost no one knows. Stick with us, because later I'll show you 2 extra ones. Have you ever tried combining toothpaste with Vaseline? You might be very surprised by the outcome, and will probably thank me once you see all the clever results. Take a small amount of petroleum jelly, the type most people know as Vaseline. This simple product has wonderful qualities. It softens, nourishes, and protects the skin from dryness or irritation, and has been trusted in households for decades. Now take some toothpaste and add it to the Vaseline in equal proportions. Stir the mixture carefully until you get a perfectly smooth consistency that looks almost like a cream. This homemade preparation can work wonders. It soothes itching, calms redness, and even helps relieve pain in sensitive areas of the skin. If you happen to burn yourself slightly while cooking, or if you get a small scratch, applying this mixture directly to the affected spot can provide quick relief. Many parents also find that a thin layer of this remedy helps calm itchy patches on children's skin. These kinds of home tips are inexpensive, easy to try, and often very effective. Now, let me show you something that looks like pure magic. Pay close attention to scratches that appear on glasses or lenses. Take a little bit of the Vaseline and toothpaste blend and spread it gently across the surface. Allow it to sit for about 10 minutes without touching it. After waiting, clean the surface carefully with a damp cloth and then polish with a microfiber cloth. The difference will surprise you, because many of those annoying scratches will become barely visible. Toothpaste itself also has many unexpected uses around the home. It can help remove tough stains from clothing and even clean small objects where dirt often builds up. Another little trick is to extend the life of your favorite perfume. Before spraying, rub a small amount of petroleum jelly on the areas of skin where you want the scent to last longer. The perfume clings to the jelly and slowly releases its fragrance, leaving you smelling fresh for hours. And now look again at the glasses after the treatment. Almost all the scratches seem to have disappeared, or at least become much less noticeable. This mixture is simple, affordable, and useful in more ways than one. Don't go anywhere because 2 amazing tricks are waiting for you. Have you ever rubbed your knee with garlic? The results can be so surprising that many people are left speechless when they try it for the first time. Start by taking a fresh clove of garlic and cutting it carefully into small pieces. While you are preparing this, I would love to know what country you are watching me from, so please share it in the comments because it is always interesting to see where everyone is joining from. Once the garlic is ready, place it gently into a clean glass jar. The next step is to chop 1 onion. Onions are easy to find in every kitchen, yet they carry powerful health benefits. While working on this recipe, let me also remind you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already, because you will not want to miss more useful content like this. After the onion, take about 50 grams of fresh ginger. Peel it thoroughly and chop it finely into very small pieces so that its active compounds are released as much as possible. Add all these ingredients into the same jar and cover the top with a lid. Now prepare a saucepan and line the bottom with a small towel to protect the jar from direct heat. Place the jar on top of the towel and then pour water into the saucepan until the jar is partly surrounded. After that, take a generous amount of olive oil and pour it over the mixture of garlic, onion, and ginger inside the jar. Allow everything to cook gently for about 10 minutes so that the oil absorbs all the beneficial properties. Once the cooking is complete, strain the oil carefully through a fine sieve into a clean container. Each ingredient in this mixture has something special to offer. Onions are naturally rich in quercetin, a compound known for supporting joint health and helping to relieve pain caused by inflammation. Ginger is famous for improving circulation, easing stiffness, and bringing warmth to tired or painful joints. Olive oil not only acts as a carrier but also preserves the healing compounds and allows them to penetrate deeply into the tissues. And finally, the star of this remedy is garlic, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant foods. When all of these ingredients are combined, you end up with a natural oil that can be applied directly to joints affected by arthritis or arthrosis. By massaging this preparation into the skin, you will notice that inflammation begins to calm down, discomfort is reduced, and mobility gradually improves. These kinds of home tips are not only simple and natural, but also an excellent alternative to expensive treatments. Try this method, and you may be pleasantly surprised by how effective it is. And keep in mind, we've got one extra trick coming up soon. Have you ever tried combining simple paper towels with toothpaste for cleaning? If not, this is the perfect moment to give it a try. To begin, measure about 175 milliliters of any kind of vinegar you have at home. Vinegar is a wonderful base for natural cleaning solutions. Next, take 2 tablespoons of coarse salt and add them into a large bowl so the texture can work as a gentle scrub. Now it is time to enhance the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of peroxide and stir carefully so that all ingredients combine well. To make this remedy even more effective, squeeze in a small amount of any toothpaste. While we are mixing, I would love to know from which country you are watching me, so please share it in the comments because I find it fascinating to see how far these home tips travel across the world. Take a stack of paper towels and fold them neatly into 4 layers. If you do not have paper towels, wet wipes can be used as an alternative. Place the folded towels into a clean, empty jar and carefully pour the solution we just prepared over them. This method is something I once learned from my great-grandfather, who is truly a brilliant and creative man. Leave the jar to stand for about 30 minutes so the paper can fully soak up the solution. After half an hour, the wipes are ready for use, and you will be amazed by the results. Just look at how dirty the sink and faucet can get after daily use. Take one of the prepared napkins and begin wiping the dirt away. The solution works wonders for removing mold, greasy deposits, and all unpleasant odors. Wipe every corner of the sink and faucet thoroughly until everything looks perfectly clean. Because of the toothpaste inside, this method is especially effective for removing mold from the bathroom. Be sure to watch the video until the end to see the transformation. If you're enjoying this content and have not yet subscribed, now is the right time to press the like button and subscribe for more. Look at the shining result. The sink sparkles as if it were brand new. Moving forward, let me show you more. If your toilet has stains or an unpleasant odor, these prepared wipes will help with that too. Rub the toilet surface carefully to remove plaque and then rinse with clean water. Even the joints between tiles, which are usually very hard to wash, will no longer be a problem. By wiping them with these detergent-soaked napkins, you can remove mold and grease that have built up over many years. This simple trick is powerful, inexpensive, and something you will want to use again and again.